Hi guys, welcome to Coding World. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about graph data structures. Okay, so let us start with the graph data structure. So graph. So in this particular session we will discuss about graph data structure in detail. What are the applications of graph data structures? What are the types of problems that can be made on this graph data structure? What is graph and how to deal with the various types of problems of the graph data structure. So what is graph? Suppose we have four cities. Let's say city 1, we have city 1, we have city 2, we have city 3, and we have city 4, and let's say we have city 5. Okay, let's say we have 5 cities. Okay, and if we connect all the cities among each other, then what we got is this. Okay, say say 1 is connected to 4 also, 1 is directly connected with the city number 5 also. See what I'm trying to say, what we can see that all the 5 cities are connected with each other. Okay, and say from city 1 I can go to city 2, from city 2 I can go back to city 1 also, from city 2 I can go to city number 5, from city 5 I can directly go to city 1, I can go to city 2, I can go to city 4, from city 4 I can go to city 3, and all these things. So if we can go back from one place to another, vice versa is also possible, then we can say this is a undirected graph. Undirected graph and unweighted graph. See, there are two kinds of graphs. The first one is directed graph, and another one is undirected graph, and it is an example of undirected graph and unweighted graph because I don't know what is the distance between these two cities. Okay, now let us assume another situation. Suppose if I am giving from city 1 I can only go to city 2, but from city 2 I cannot go to city 1. This arrow means forward. Okay, so from city 2 we cannot go to city 1, but from city 2 we can go to city 5. Okay, so this type of suppose and let's suppose from city 1 to I can go to city 3, but from city 3 you can see that from city 3 I cannot go back to city 1. So it is a kind of directed graph. Okay, so it is an example of directed graph, and the previous one is undirected graph. And suppose I know that from city 1 to city 2 there is a distance of 5 kilometer and 6 kilometer, let's say 7, let's say it is 4 kilometer, let's say it is 2 kilometer. Now you can see that I know the distance between two cities. Basically I know the weights. These are called as weighted graph. So it is an example of directed and weighted graph. Okay, so these are the basically two kinds of graphs. Okay, and now I will show you how to deal with the graphs. Okay, so these are the two kinds of graphs, and there are two kinds of algorithms. The first one algorithm, let's say basically these algorithms are graph traversal algorithms. Okay, graph traversal. What does mean by graph traversal? Graph traversal means if I want to traverse from, basically this is also called as nodes. In tree data structure we have discussed in detail what is node, what is children, what are subchildren, what are parents, what are grandparents. Okay, what are leaf nodes, we have discussed in detail in tree data structure. If you don't know about this, what this is called as node, then I strongly recommend you to go back my tree data structure playlist and watch tree data structure, and then come back again, and now you can watch it. Okay, so these are called as nodes. Suppose from starting with this, let's say I have given with the node 1 and I have to traverse the whole node, then how can I traverse the whole node? From node 1 I can go to node 2, and let's make it simple and let's make it undirected graph. Okay, let's make it undirected graph. Now this is an undirected graph, this is an undirected weighted graph. Okay, so from city 1 I can go to city 2 with a distance of 5 km, from city 1 I can go to city 3 with a distance of 6 km, and from city 2 I can go to city 5 with a distance of 4 km. Okay, so in this way you can traverse. Okay, so there are basically two kinds of graph traversal algorithm. First one is BFS traversal, another one is DFS traversal. BFS means breadth first search algorithm, and DFS is depth first search. Depth first search algorithm. Okay, these are the two same thing, breadth first search and depth first search. So via these two algorithms we'll see lots of problems which are simply based on these two algorithms, and these two algorithms, with the help of these two algorithms we can even traverse this whole graph. Okay, so how we can achieve these things, okay, we'll discuss now. Okay,